What's up, my financial family? How y'all doing today? So today we're going to discuss 3 budgeting methods that can help you on your journey. The first budgeting method we will talk about is the zero-based budget. With the zero-based budget, you want to make sure you allocate all your income to a specific category. So with the zero-based budget, you will include like travel as a category if traveling is something that you like to do, or going out to eat as a category. All your bills will be a category. With the zero-based budget, you just include a category for everything. So essentially with the zero-based budget, your income and expenses will equal one another. So if your income is $3,000 a month, then your expenses will equal out to be $3,000 a month. I am going to give you guys an example of what a zero-based budget looks like. Okay, so we're going to start with the zero-based budget for our first example. And I'm using Excel template to do so. I just chose a personal budget template. So some of the numbers are already filled in. That's okay. I'm going to go back, delete them, and put in what needs to be put in so you can see what a zero-based budget looks like. So as I said before, say for instance, the income is $3,000 a month. That would be $1,500 each paycheck. See, monthly income total to $3,000. Now for a zero-based budget, expenses and savings must total up to $3,000. Cash balance should be zero with a zero-based budget. So now let's put in the numbers so you can see what that will look like. Just want you to see that you end up with your expenses plus your savings and totaling to be your monthly income. So your cash balance at the end should be zero. And that's what a zero-based budget looks like. Nothing should be left over. One nice thing about the zero-based budget, it'll help you to not overspend because you're able to see exactly where your money is going. And you know exactly how much to spend on what category. The second budgeting method is the 50-30-20 rule. And with the 50-30-20 rule, you allocate 50% of your income to your needs, 30% to your wants, and 20% to your savings. So now I'm going to show you an example of what a 50-30-20 rule budget looks like. For the 50-30-20 rule, I'm going to use another Excel template to do this. And the Excel template I chose is called Manage My Money. So 50% of our monthly income must equal our expenses, 20% must go to our savings, and 30% needs to go to our needs. All right, so let's total this up. So we continue using that $3,000 as our total monthly income. I put in $1,500 as the income source for 1 and 2, which would be your first paycheck and then your second paycheck of the month. All right, so monthly expenses now need to total up to 50%. So monthly expenses should equal $1,500. I went through and I put in all the totals. So as you can see, 50% of the income, which is $1,500, is the total of the expenses. And then 30% of $3,000 is $900. And so as you can see, the cash balance, which would be for wants, and wants could be anything like subscriptions, vacation, going out to eat, hanging out with friends, or buying clothes. So for that entire month, you'll be able to spend $900 on whatever it is that you want. And then $600 goes to savings. And down below, I end up putting $300 towards retirement, $300 towards savings. And that's what a 50-30-20 rule looks like. The third budgeting method that we're going to talk about today is the 60% solutions. With the 60% solution, 60% of your income goes to committed expenses. So those committed expenses are all your bills, so like your insurance, your mortgage or your rent, your car payment, your gas, food. Then with the other 40% of your income, you're going to divide that into 4 sections. So 10% is going to go towards retirement, another 10% is going to go towards your long-term savings, another 10% going towards your short-term savings. The last 10% will go towards your fund money. So that's the easier route for people who have trouble saving money on their own. So now I'm going to give you guys an example of the 60% solutions. I decided to use a blank Excel worksheet for the 60% solution budget. So as we said previously, income is $3,000 per month. And you want 60% of your income to go towards your committed necessities. Show you what that is. So let's just do the math real quick. Take 3,000. I'm gonna go here. 3,000. $60% of the income would be $1,800. So we're going to write right here, committed necessities and non-essentials. So this could be your subscriptions, gym membership, water, electricity, all that. And this just must total out to equal to $1,800. Okay, so I went through and filled out all the totals. And so for the committed necessities and non-essentials, as you can see, we got $1,800, and we calculated before that 60% of 3,000 is $1,800. So there goes 60% of our income towards the things that we need and we don't need. And then the last 40% of income just goes to savings. And this is for the entire month. Now, short-term savings, you could be saving up for like a pair of shoes, get some new tires on your car, or just anything short-term related. Long-term savings could be your emergency fund. You saving up just in case something happens and you'll have funds to cover it. All right, so that is what a 60% solution budget looks like. Before I go, I did want to mention that I got this shirt from my sister's business. This is not sponsored. And I'm going to link her website down below in the description box for you guys to check it out. She also sells phone cases as well. So give her website a look. She has some nice things on there that you might enjoy. Thank you all for tuning into this video today. I appreciate you guys for watching. As always, remember to spread positivity, spread love, spread joy, and continue to be blessed, y'all. Thank you and have a great day. Peace.